Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Assistant Inspector Mandizvidza, currently in charge of Zimbabwe Public Police. As a tenant who had the privilege of residing in Marlborough, Kambozuma, Kuwadzana, and Highfields, I wish to express my deepest gratitude to the people of Zimbabwe, particularly landlords, for the shelter and support you have provided. Your kindness and generosity made a significant impact on my life. I humbly request that you take this moment to extend your support to the dedicated police officers and sister organizations members who are in need of accommodation. By doing so, you are contributing to their welfare and effectiveness in serving our nation. I am grateful for the love and support you have provided me, and I believe it's essential to reciprocate. As I take on the new role, I assure you that my guidance and directives will be aimed to building a brighter future for Zimbabwe. I kindly request your trust and support in this endeavor, as together we can create a Zimbabwe that flourishes. I kindly request your trust and support in this endeavor, as together we can create a Zimbabwe that flourishes. Makota Masters Ese, please continue to supply food the way you are doing. Anditi, vajke, takamira, zvinotevera, vachichengetedza vana veZimbabwe. Hapana chinofana kuchinja ipapo, nekuti mukachinja matoita kuti vana vave aggrieved ati tinoita basa. Hatisuda kumanyira mberi kwe situation. Nyika inoda kufamba step by step. Handiti. Saka chengetai masoja edu, chengetai Mupurisa, chengetai magadjere, chengetai squad 400. Amuziwa yenoziwa. Handiti. Exactly. Hachengetei. Inini, I'm very safe. Mukaonzwa ndati ndasvikirwa. Another plan will be put into effect ipapo no more kutaura. Handiti. Tinenge takutoenda kwatisiri kushuvira kuti tisvike. Ndofunga neiyaya ngatimboshandisa yaripo mazwi iyaya tonzwanana ndete ndatenda muri Zimbabwe.